The surgeon first finds the tear in the meniscus and makes sure that an all-inside repair is the best choice to fix it. The repair device is brought into the knee, and the spot for the first implant is chosen. The needle is inserted all the way through the tissue, and then the thumb wheel is spun backward, then forward, to place the implant behind the meniscus. The surgeon pulls the needle out of the meniscus and picks the spot for the second implant, repeating the same steps. The device is then removed. What's left is a short loop, a long loop, and a long tail of suture. By grabbing all the sutures and pulling slightly, this sets the two implants behind the meniscus so they can hold on to the tissue. The long loop is pulled, which tightens the short loop against the meniscus tear, bringing the torn edges back together. Then, the long tail is pulled to tighten the long loop against the meniscus tear, providing a strong repair with two sutures instead of just one. Once the surgeon has tightened the loops, the long suture tail is cut, and the all-inside meniscus repair is complete.